Hello everyone. On this video, we will try to understand about break statement in Python. It helps to stop or terminate the present loop and resume execution at the next statement. To achieve this, we need to use break keyword. In case of nested loop, we can break loop one by one. That is, the innermost loop will be terminated. Then it will move further with outer loop and so on. Now let's look at the syntax. So this loop will be the first statement. Under that you will be using the keyword break, as you can see in the screen. Now let's take an example to understand. Now the str is nothing but the variable that I'm declaring, and in that I'm declaring a string called xyz. Then I'm using a for loop and I'm initializing the variable I based on that variable str. Now if the value is coming across the alphabet O, it will break. Okay. Then I'm trying to print it. Now let's try to run this code. Just save it. Then run it. It has to print XYZ now. See? Now I don't want this XYZ to print. I want it to stop as soon as it come across the alphabet Y. So I'm replacing that O by Y. See, it has printed only X, Y, because that is nothing but we have given the break value towards it. Okay, so this is all about our break statement in Python. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.